Construction claims consultants versus construction law firms. Which one is better for infrastructure disputes? Large infrastructure projects are complicated, and most people get this wrong by thinking one solution fits every dispute. The surprising truth is that the choice between construction claims consultants and law firms can determine how efficiently issues like delays, cost overruns, or defects are resolved. Construction claims consultants specialize in analyzing project schedules, costs, and technical documentation. They quantify delays, assess contractor performance, and prepare detailed reports to support claims or defenses. For example, on a major bridge project, a claims consultant might calculate liquidated damages due to delays caused by subcontractor issues. Their expertise is rooted in project management, engineering, and practical construction realities, offering detailed evidence that can prevent disputes from escalating. Construction law firms, in contrast, focus on legal enforcement and risk management. They draft contracts, advise on regulatory compliance, and represent clients in negotiations, arbitration, or court proceedings. For instance, if a project owner faces a breach of contract claim, a law firm can pursue litigation or settlement to secure compensation. While lawyers provide legal certainty, they may not have the technical depth to assess complex construction schedules or costs without external support. The difference is technical expertise versus legal authority. Consultants excel at documenting and validating claims with precise data, while law firms translate those findings into enforceable legal strategies. The most effective approach combines both. Consultants quantify and structure claims, and law firms use that evidence to achieve legal remedies or settlements. The takeaway is clear: relying solely on consultants may leave you unable to enforce your rights, while depending only on lawyers risks missing critical technical details. The surprising truth is that integrating construction expertise with legal strategy ensures disputes are resolved efficiently, accurately, and with maximum protection for project stakeholders.